right, so here is the before of my model, and here's me now getting started on my model's haircut. So the very first thing that I did is I took a center section down the center back, and I have now divided the right side from the left side. The second thing I did is I took a 45-degree angle section, which you can see right here, and I'm cutting the hair in a 45-degree angle. So basically, I am graduating the back of the hair where it's going to be nice and tight next to the neck, but building up weight as I get higher up the occipital bone. What we're doing is we're trying to create fullness and volume at the occipital bone and the crown area to make the hair look nice and full and thick. So now I'm just continuing to take 45-degree angles, working my way up the side of the head, building up this graduation so that we can create the fullness and thickness that we're looking for. And I'm going to do this all the way to the top of the ear. At that point, we're going to switch gears and do some layering instead of a graduation, but I'll talk about that when we get to that section next. Now that I've completed the graduation on the right side of the head, I'm going to do the exact same thing on the left side of the head. I'm going to take the graduation, I'm going to work it in 45-degree angle sections, cut the hair in a 45-degree angle with my fingers, and I'm going to work my way all the way up to the top of the ear. Completed the graduation in the back of the haircut, I'm going to chip in the desired outline that I'm looking for. So all I'm doing is taking the points of my scissors and chipping in the outline that I want. time to cut the layers on the side of my model's hair. Now, my model wanted to keep the hair on the sides leaner versus fuller. She did want the fullness in the back, which is why we created the graduation. However, on the side, she wanted to keep it much more lean. So what we're doing here is we are creating some layers. So I'm taking a section and I'm combing straight out, and I'm going to cut a square layer on the sides of the head. Now what I've done is I've gone through and blew dry the hair dry so that I can go through and cross-check the layers, chip into the top to create some nice texture, and basically break into the edges. Right here I'm layering the top of the haircut, but I'm doing it by chipping in the actual outline. So as you can see, the hair is a lot leaner on the sides and front, but a lot fuller in the back. Alright, so we have come to the end of this haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this haircut. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. I'd be happy to answer any questions you guys might have. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.